Honestly, human actions have a profound impact on relationships and societies as a whole. The way we treat others, the choices we make, and the values we uphold all contribute to the fabric of our communities. In relationships, our actions can either strengthen bonds or create divisions. For instance, empathy, active listening, and kindness can foster deep connections and trust. On the other hand, hurtful words, dishonesty, and selfishness can lead to conflict and even destroy relationships. On a broader scale, human actions shape societies in countless ways. Our collective values and beliefs influence laws, policies, and social norms. For example, movements like civil rights and feminism have pushed for equality and justice, while actions driven by prejudice and discrimination have perpetuated systematic injustices. Our daily choices, such as we treat the environment, how we spend our money, and how we engage with our communities, also have a ripple effect. We can contribute to positive change by supporting local businesses, reducing our carbon footprint, and volunteering our time. Ultimately, it's up to each of us to recognize the power of our actions and strive to make a positive impact on those around us and the world at large scales. That's all. Thank you.